This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Tackett. Completely rehab home featuring newer roof, replacement vinyl windows, new outside HVAC unit, kitchen refinished with new cabinets, granite countertop, new appliances, new planked floors throughout living area, new carpet installed in the bedrooms, electrical panel updated with additional space, large porch deck, fenced in front and rear yard including driveway, large laundry room, 2 large detached sheds, bathroom updated with ceramic tile floor, new tub and surround, LED anti-fog dimmable mirror. Don't miss out on this great home. For more information, review the details below.